Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of black-eyed peas. If you're someone who believes that food can be both scrumptious and good for you, you're in for a treat. Black-eyed peas aren't just a kitchen staple. They're a secret treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be uncovered. Whether you're a culinary adventurer, a health-conscious eater, or a bit of both, you're about to discover how these unassuming peas can bring a whole lot of goodness to your table. Picture this, a food that supports your heart, fuels your energy, and even teams up with your digestive system for a smoother ride. Yep, that's what black-eyed peas are all about. First and foremost, black-eyed peas are a good source of essential nutrients. They are a particularly rich source of folate, a B vitamin that is crucial for DNA synthesis, cell division, and the formation of red blood cells. Adequate folate intake is especially important during pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood and plays a vital role in energy production. Black-eyed peas provide a good amount of non-heme iron, which is the type of iron found in plant-based foods. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Adequate potassium intake is associated with maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting heart health. Black-eyed peas contain beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, a healthy immune system, and proper functioning of organs like the heart, lungs, and kidneys. These peas are high in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and stabilize blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Did you know black-eyed peas are a valuable source of plant-based protein? Including them in your diet can help meet your protein needs, especially for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining overall bodily functions. Let's have a closer look at our heart health. Black-eyed peas are rich in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for heart health in several ways. Fiber helps lower levels of LDL cholesterol by binding to cholesterol molecules and promoting their elimination from the body. This can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in arteries, and lower the risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber found in black-eyed peas forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which binds to bile acids containing cholesterol. This binding process helps excrete excess cholesterol, leading to improved blood lipid profiles and lower overall cholesterol levels. Black-eyed peas are a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in maintaining proper fluid balance and electrolyte levels. Adequate potassium intake can help relax blood vessel walls, which may contribute to lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of hypertension, high blood pressure. What's more, the fiber and protein in black-eyed peas can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Black-eyed peas can be a valuable addition to your diet if you're aiming to manage your weight. Black-eyed peas are high in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber is known to provide a feeling of fullness and satiety, which can help curb overeating and prevent excessive calorie consumption. Feeling full for longer periods can also reduce the likelihood of snacking between meals. The combination of protein and fiber in black-eyed peas can help regulate appetite hormones. Protein is particularly effective at promoting satiety, and when combined with fiber, it can lead to increased feelings of fullness, helping you control your food intake. Black-eyed peas are relatively low in calories compared to many other protein-rich foods. This makes them a great option for including in meals, without significantly increasing the calorie content. Let's not forget about our bones. The mineral content of black-eyed peas, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, contributes to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Black-eyed peas are a good source of folate, a B vitamin that is crucial for fetal development during pregnancy. Adequate folate intake can help prevent neural tube defects in the baby. Lastly, black-eyed peas contain a good amount of iron, which is an essential mineral for various bodily functions, including oxygen transport, energy production, and immune system support. The presence of vitamin C in black-eyed peas can enhance the absorption of non-heme iron, which is the type of iron found in plant-based foods. There you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of black-eyed peas unveiled. Embrace a healthier you today. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.